Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Schaeffler, ABB, Kapil Raj Finance, DCM Shriram Industries, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Kapil Raj Finance Limited share is trading around rupees 72. Kapil Raj Finance announced their stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date for the stock split yet to be announced by Kapil Raj Finance. Sal Automotive Limited share is trading around rupees 649. Company announced the bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Sal Automotive, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 4th April 2025. NB Trade and Finance Limited. Current market price rupees 8. Company announced their stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of NB Trade and Finance Limited, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 4th April 2025. Schaeffler India Limited. Schaeffler share is trading around rupees 3,297. Schaeffler India announced a dividend of rupees 28, that is 1,400%. Ex-date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 23rd April 2025. DCM Shriram Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 178. DCM Shriram announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 4th April 2025. Asiana Housing Limited. Asiana. Current market price rupees 296. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th April 2025. Unifins Capital India Limited. Current market price rupees 645. Unifins Capital announced a dividend of 50 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 4th April 2025. Varun Beverages Limited, VBL. Current market price rupees 547. Varun Beverages announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. PH Capital Limited. Current market price rupees 200. Company announced a dividend of 25 paise per share. 4th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Pervasive Commodities Limited. Current market price rupees 12. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Pervasive Commodities, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th April 2025. Acme Fintrade India Limited, AFIL. Share is trading around rupees 69. AFIL announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th April 2025. Mercury Trade Links Limited. Current market price rupees 21. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mercury Trade Links. AMI Organics Limited, AMI Org. Current market price rupees 2,480. AMI Organics announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of AMI Organics, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. 25th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the stock split. ABB India Limited, ABB. Current market price rupees 5,309. ABB India announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. 3rd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Vesuvius India Limited, Vesuvius. Current price rupees 4,514. Company announced a dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. Record date is fixed as 1st May 2025. KSB Limited, KSB, current price rupees 700. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 2nd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. CIE Automotive India Limited, CIE India, current market price rupees 395. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 23rd April 2025. CRISIL Limited, current market price rupees 4,219. Company announced a dividend of rupees 26, that is 2,600%. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 11th April 2025. SBC Export Limited, SBC, current market price rupees 12.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th May 2025. Sanofi India Limited, Sanofi, current market price rupees 5,861. Sanofi India announced a dividend of rupees 117, that is 1,170%. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th April 2025. Sanofi Consumer Healthcare India Limited, current market price rupees 4,798. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th April 2025. Elentas Beck Limited, share is trading around rupees 9,909. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Elentas Beck. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.